all for $20 and more. That's what this video is all about. Stay tuned. Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, I hope you all are doing great today, and I'm glad to be back with you. And I have what I thought was a box, and it is a box. Well, didn't come in a box, so they may have ran out of boxes, but I have a box of beauty by Ellen. That's right, Be Kind Ellen has put together a beauty box, and we're going to find out what's in it. Now, speaking of beauty, and you may have noticed, if you've seen any Temu hauls, especially campaigns, and I don't mention any makeup or anything that I have on, it is because I am not supposed to mention any other brand names. And I try to be real careful about that, but today I'm going to tell you what I had on in the last couple of Temu hauls. It would be Temu Part 1 and Part 2, the trends, the trendy spring looks. And what I had on my eyes was, again, an Estee Lauder palette. This is this one right here, and this one is Pure Color Envy, and it is Fierce Safari. And you can tell it's kind of got those safari colors, and you can also tell that I've used this one a lot. I use this one more than the other two that I showed you. Now the blue one was relatively new, but when we say new, we're talking about years. Estee Lauder stuff lasts a long, long time. But anyways, I have this on my eyes. I've got the dark brownish color in my corners. I've got the green here, probably midway right there. I've got the white and the gold mixed on top and also up as a highlighter. And this brown here is in my crease of my eye. And again, I used the purple eyeliner that I got from Ice Cream Beauty. I'm really liking this liner, and it goes with all my colors, and it just adds a little different dimension to my eyes. And this here has the duochrome, which I have on the inside there. And for my mascara today, or for these, I've used Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And this is a great mascara. You can see that it does lengthen, and it works good. I'm not fond of their wand. I don't know, that's just me, maybe. But it's been a good, mascara. I think I got it out of, I want to say FabFitFun. And then for my brows, in case y'all don't remember, I always use, 9 times out of 10, the BBB, $1 Billion Brows. Yeah, this is my favorite. It glides on. I love it. It's real easy to work with. It's just my favorite, and I've stocked up. And Laura says, I don't even know when you can get them, but we got them free. A lot of them are not free, but in our FabFitFun boxes. And then on my lips, I forgot to bring my lipstick, but it's Candy by Estee Lauder. And I can't believe I brought everything else. Yeah, I brought everything else but my lipstick. But anyway, maybe I'll add some of this on. My plumper and gloss is this Buxom. It's in Dolly. That's probably one of their most favorite and most sold out colors. But that's what I have on for beauty, and today we're going to look at beauty. Guys, I got this Be Kind beauty box, which I think it's worth over $170 for 20 bucks. Plus, I got a 10% coupon, which really helped me with my shipping, because shipping's around $12. And it came in a bag. You know how she usually has it in those pretty boxes? Well, this one came in a bag. I was kind of disappointed. I was wanting it to be in one of those pretty boxes. She does have some cute boxes, but like I said, maybe they ran out, and I don't know if you can still get this, but the sale is still going on. I'll have the link down in my description. And I don't know if we're going to get a product card with this. Let me look. A few things got bent up. No duh. When you send it like that. Okay, in this beauty bag, we're not going to get any information, so I'm just going to have to tell you what I got. But the first thing, and I can kind of smell it, I hope it didn't break open. No, it's sealed, but I can still smell it. Yeah, it's a mouthwash. It says concentrated mouthwash, less waste. 95% less plastic, 99% less water, 100% essential oils. And it's concentrated. So what does that mean? It says dazzle naturally with Guranan's concentrated mouthwash. I guess that's the brand. It's inspired by Orverdi, maybe, I'm not sure. Our concentrated mouthwash uses 100% pure essential oils for safe, natural, and effective oral care. Wild mint flavor will leave your mouth clean and refreshed. Dentist recommended. One bottle is 300 uses. Wow. No artificial preservatives, no artificial colors, fluoride free, never tested on animals. Add 4 to 6 drops of concentrated mouthwash to a dosage cup. Then add water, approximately 15 ml for optimal results. Gently swish around your mouth for 1 minute and then spit out. Do not swallow. So hey, I look forward to trying that. Does it have a little, it's all sealed up. You know, Ellen does a lot of, I guess, products that she features that give back. And of course, I'm not going to have a give back story on these unless the product tells us about it. But she does do that. And I was looking to see, oh yeah, it does have like a little cup in here. So you're going to have your little 15 ml cup, which is wonderful. And then we have our mouthwash that's concentrated. And I'm looking real forward to that. I'm not going to open it up right now because I don't know exactly when I'm going to get to it. But I think that's a great buy. And it was double boxed, I guess, for protection. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I have no idea on value. If I can find a value, I'll toss it up there. That's what I got. Then the next item I'm pulling out of here is Zoe Alla. And these are hair ties or hair, what do you call those things? Not hair bands. Maybe it is hair ties. You know, I've got a pink and gray, and looky there. This here will go with what I got on practically. That's pretty cool, or even that one. So those are nice colors. I like that. I just might actually use this. And they're kind of an expensive brand, so this might be $25 or more value. I don't know what this value is, but if I was to do a guess on something like that that's non-toxic, I don't know, maybe 20, 15, don't know. Hey guys, here's the Healthier Lashes by Grand Lash Mascara. So this is Grande. Longer, healthier, clump-free lashes. It's infused with peptides for a healthier looking lash. 93% said it didn't clump. 94% said they saw healthier lashes. And I do have this. Condition while you coat. And it's the Grande Mascara. And I'm not going to open it because I do actually have one open right now. But that's what it looks like. And it works very nice. Now I have me a spare because I do use it. I like it. I'm finding that I like several mascaras, and I told you Too Faced is okay. It's not my favorite. My favorites are Estee Lauder, Prime Lash Mascara, and this Grande is becoming a good third contender. Okay, looks like I got a Hydro Serum Facial Mask. 1000 Roses Instant Soothing Smooth Hydro Serum Face Mask. And I'm not gonna, I don't know, Aspiret Lassie Instant, I don't know, they're trying to talk some other language, I can't talk it. And I'm not going to walk it out, so to speak, because I can't do it. Okay, anyway, it's Alpine Rose, Stem Cells, and Rose Water. Cellulose, oh, that's in another language again. I gotta keep trying to stop speaking a language that I clearly can't do. Okay, the next item we have here is a 100% pure coffee bean caffeine eye cream. Ooh, I bet that's a pricey thing. It's inside this little tube. Look at that. Have y'all ever heard of 100% pure coffee bean caffeine eye? That sounds interesting. I'm always scared to put things around my eye. Oh, it has a little bit here. I'm going to pull it out, see what it smells like. Let's see. You know, with the coffee bean, that's caffeine. So that's going to help depuff your eyes. So if you have problems with puffiness around your eyes, that's probably what this is for. Of course, I haven't read about it yet, but let's see. It says brightens and depuffs. See, that's what I thought. So it's not an overnight, it's for depuffing. And I know somebody that would probably like to use that. So my eyes are usually not too puffy, so I don't really deal with that just too much. I tell y'all that, and y'all might say, look at her puffy eyes, but I don't think they are. But anyway, that's what that is, and it's natural, and it's vegan, and of course it's got the caffeine in it. That's what actually depuffs it. So, and that's all too small for me to read. The top part says gluten-free, non-toxic, brightens and depuffs, and then it says natural, I guess vegetation like, oh, that's another, starts talking another language there, I don't know. Anyway, it says, yeah, another language, forget that. Okay, I mean, if you can read it, that's fine. I just can't, so I don't want to sit there and waste y'all's time on it. Now, I did get some more nails, so y'all see this in a giveaway, but I want you to see it's kind of got bent up and mashed, but the nails look okay. But this is Color Street, and this is 16 long-lasting strips, and I think the color of this is supposed to be mulberry, but I don't see the color on here. But I think when I read the description when I was buying it said mulberry. So we have some more nail strips. And we have a makeup bag. Look at that. This is a good size bag. This looks like it's made out of some good fabric. She does pick out some good products, I'll have to say, and it even has a slip pocket there that if you're at the pool or something, you can have your phone or your key or some of that kind of stuff in there. I like that. I actually like this. This is very nice. It's just subtle. It's nice and summery looking. And it's got a nice handle on it, and it feels like leather, and it probably is. If it's not, it's pleather, and it's by HPC. But it's not like lined, like, don't think this is waterproof. It's not lined like that. And I'd have to say this is some kind of heavy duty canvas, so it's probably water resistant, but it's not water, it's not lined. So I like that. That was another good thing. And then I've got two more things in here. The next thing that I have is a lavender roller ball. And this is to help calm you down, I think, and probably smell good. And it is sealed. And I'm going to see if I can break this seal just so I can smell it. Well, I was hoping I could just maybe peel it back, smell it, and put it back. Well, I can't break it, so I'm not going to break it because I may end up putting this in a giveaway. But we have lavender rollerball, and it is by Our Lavender Company. So I'm sure it smells like lavender. I'm sure it smells really good. I have so many of those. I don't want to open it up. And then the last item that we got is a Mineral Fusion, and this is a Hydro Shine lip gloss, and it's Bermuda, I guess is the color. Locks in moisture, and it's radiant, I don't know, is that another language again? Am I just crazy thinking that I'm trying to read foreign languages? I can't do it. Can't do it. I know a few things like Buenos Dias, from Mexico, Gracias, agua for water, but I don't know too much, guys. So you don't want me to be an interpreter, but this is what this looks like. It's got the name on there, Mineral Fusion, and I'm going to see how it smells. It's got a doe foot. It probably has a light sweet scent to it, so might be very nice. I'm not going to put any on because I may put this in a giveaway as well. You just never know. And that is my Ellen box. So what was your favorite? Oh, gee whiz, what was my favorite? Okay, I'm going to say I'm going to like this because I for sure have been liking my Grand Lash Grande Mascara. And this mouthwash is going to be interesting to me. And I think this lip gloss. And I'm not going to leave out this. I keep grabbing stuff, and the facial mask. But I like that too. I like the colors of it. It's kind of salmony pink color, and it'll go great for summer things and to have in your bag to carry along or grab and pull out real quick. So you let me know what your favorite was. But that's what we had, the mouthwash, the hair scrunchies. That's what I was looking for a while ago. We've got the 100% pure coffee bean cream for your eyes, the Grande lash. We got our mineral fusion lip gloss mask. We got our lavender roller ball. And I say for $20, I got my money's worth. I mean, I got a steal of a deal right here. Even got me some nails to give away sometime. But as for today, that's what I have, and I'm very excited. I hope you all liked some of this. And like I said, this, if it's not sold out, it's still available. It's $20. And there is shipping, and shipping's around $12 or $13 you'd have to pay. I think she does have a free shipping, but I don't know what the threshold is. And usually she sends a card or a booklet with her items, but she did not do this. So I'm thinking, I've never seen a beauty box from Ellen before, so I think she just threw all this together and made a beauty package, and it didn't come in a box. It came in a bag. So if it gets banged up a little bit, you'll know what happened. But that is my Be Kind beauty box by Ellen. And that's pretty much all I have. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that are currently going on. If this is not April 7th yet and it comes out before then, we do have the Easter Golden Box Hunt collab still out there. 8 channels, great women, great videos, great 8 new subscription boxes that you can look at, 8 winners, and then 1 grand prize winner out of all those 8. So one person's going to win 2 prizes, and the grand prize is the choice of one of those subscription boxes that we show on our collaboration. And thank you to all the ladies that joined in on that. And then I have my 3K celebration down below. Hallelujah, praise God. I can't even believe that I hit 3,000. It was a fluke, I think, but I hit it, and I'm happy. And I thank each every one of you and appreciate each and every one of you for getting me there. It has been a wild ride since I started. Been on about 3 years and 3 months, I guess, and a quarter. So hit 3K. That's pretty good, I think, for YouTube. And you check that out. I've got 2 big giveaways in there. And then I have a giveaway palette in the Grove collaboration video. And it is a palette giveaway for helping Mary. Mary does the makeup, and that's why I showed y'all the palettes, because several of y'all had mentioned to her that you like to know what we have on. And then I thought, well, I'll take a note from her book. And I did. And so I gave away a palette in that giveaway to help Mary get to 3K. But you can help her the most by going to her channel, and this would be with anyone that you're trying to help. But you can go to their channel and share one of their videos out on one of your public social medias, Facebook, Instagram, X, I don't know, whatever they are. I probably missed one, but anyway, that's another way you can share, and of course you can just tell a friend. But that's all I have today, and I'm excited about my Be Kind Ellen beauty box, even though I didn't get a Be Kind box, but I'm still happy about it. And as for today, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.